How to add favorites in Safari on iPhone. To get started, you first need to open the Safari application from your home screen. This is the default browser on your iPhone. Once you're in, you will be on the homepage of Safari. From here, you need to tap the search bar at the bottom of your screen. Now, type in the website name. Then, tap this icon at the bottom of your screen. After that, swipe for more options. Select Add to Favorites. Then, to rename the site, tap here and type your suggestion. Once you're done, tap on Save in the top right corner. You have successfully added this website to your favorites. You can simply tap on the website the next time you want to visit. So by following these simple steps, you can easily add favorites in Safari on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.